always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's.
Welcome back to another video here, guys. Welcome back to self-care, health and wellness. And as you can see here, guys, I have mangoes here along with cucumber. So we're gonna prepare mango cucumber drink. And there we have the water running. So to wash them, guys, I've already washed them twice. Now this is the third time. And here I'm gonna add some salt so to wash them. Right, guys? There I have ginger along. Yes. And I have turmeric as well. Yes, guys. So here I'm gonna wash them for a third time. Yes, guys. Mango cucumber drink. Delicious, I'm telling you, guys. And I have two different type of mango. There is Julie mango. Yes, Jamaican mangoes. And there I have stringy mangoes. Yes, guys, stringy mango here. So after washing my mangoes with salt water, guys, they're gonna drain. Yes, gonna drain off the salt water there. And then I'm gonna get my fourth rinse or fourth wash. Yes, guys, so I'm draining the salt water off. Yeah. Yes, delicious mango cucumber drink it gonna be, guys. That's right. Delicious mango cucumber drink. So I'm draining here. Yes. The water. That is the salt water. So to give it its fourth wash. Here goes, guys. It's fourth wash here. Yeah. These are the cucumbers. Yes. Here is the. So here, my guys, I'm peeling the mangoes and I'm peeling them over the sink here as mangoes are juicy and they will be messing up all over the place. So I rather to keep them here in the sink. So to peel and then I'll be cutting them here, right? The flesh, cuts off the flesh from the seed. Yeah, because I will be blending them in the blender with the cucumber, right? Ginger and turmeric as well. So this is how it goes, guys, by peeling and then I slice them into the container here. Yes, and then I will oftentimes be washing my hands. So to continue, as I said before, the mangoes are messy. Some of them are not solid, so I have to be washing my hands over and over. So this is how I do it, guys, right? Here am I peeling. Yes. And guys, you know I can't continue to peel all the mangoes, so to dice or slice. So I've got to stop the video and then continue and then comes back with the finished product. But just to demonstrate to you, so to show you how I'm doing the mango cucumber drink here, right? So the mango is not solid, right? Not all of them solid. Some are while some are soft. So this is the procedure, guys. Yeah, this is the procedure, right? Yeah. And now they're washing my hands so often. So to continue, right? So these are the cucumber here. So just like this, I'm going to do the cucumber and everything going to put into the blender. So to, yeah, blend. So I'm going to add water to this and blend. No sugar, guys, right? No sugar will be added. Just the fruit and the vegetable here. And here I have the ginger. Right? Do them in small pieces. That's when they go into the blender, they blend smooth. Here's my turmeric. So guys, I'm gonna leave all the information on the benefits of all these ingredients in the description section there. Has mango is delicious and very healthy for all of us, right guys? Mangoes as in vitamin C and fight against cancer cell in our body, as well as it helps to detox our body, cleanse our colon, right? The cucumber here also helps with hydrating our skin, right? So I'm going to leave information on all of these ingredients in the description section so you can get an understanding on all the benefits of these ingredients. So stay tuned, guys, for the end result coming up, right? For the all ingredients are diced up. Yes, guys. Take a look. All ingredients: turmeric, cucumber, ginger, diced up, now ready to blend. Look at it, guys. Look at it. All ready. So to make that cucumber mango drink, or you could say mango cucumber drink. Yummy, yummy. Stay tuned, guys, and product coming up next. Here it is, guys, the end product of our mango cucumber drink. Guys, the cucumber had gone into the drink. There was none left so to place here. to show up the presentation of all the ingredients that were made into the juice, right? So therefore, I have to just use what I had left over, the mango and the ginger here. No turmeric, no cucumber had left over. Guys, I did not remember. But nevertheless, we get a delicious drink here, a delicious juice, whatever you want to call it, right? So this is the end product, guys. There is my glass. Ahead of time, I had my ice in, and this is the jug with the delicious drink, guys. So I'm gonna pour, right, guys? Yes. So look at it, guys. Look how yummy it is. Look at it. Look at the consistency, guys. So you can do it thicker than this, right? Depending on how you want it. Yes, this is what it looks like. This is what I want my juice to be. So this drink is very refreshing, guys. So as it is mango time in Jamaica here, a lot of mangoes are falling from the tree, right? So for you guys who has children at home as it is summer, yes, guys, please prepare this drink for your children. Delicious drink here. So to hydrate them, right? Don't let them be home and being dehydrated when we have a lot of mangoes falling from the tree. Yes, and they're wasted. So use up the mangoes, guys, as it has a lot of health benefit, right? So remember, look into the description section there where you see the benefits of these ingredients. Yummy, guys. Look at it. Yummy. Look at the color, guys. Is it rich? Excellent for our body or immunity. Yes. Thank you all for watching. Thank you all for listening. Please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Yes, guys. Share the video to your friends and your family. Yummy. Enjoy, guys. Have a glass. Have a glass, guys. Enjoy.